अस्सलाम वालेकुम। 12th क्लास की इंग्लिश के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की बात करने लगा हूँ पिछले 5 सालों में। वो क्वेश्चंस जो बार-बार आते रहे हैं, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। अगर आपकी तैयारी नहीं है, आप सिर्फ़ यही क्वेश्चंस तैयार कर लेते हैं, तब भी आपका पेपर बेहतरीन रह जाएगा। अब ज़रा देखिए क्वेश्चंस, ये सब्जेक्टिव पार्ट देखिए, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस की बात करने लगा हूँ। पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन अकॉर्डिंग टू सर जेम्स जीन्स अ वांडरिंग स्टार वांडरिंग थ्रू स्पेस केम near the sun. दूसरा, how has the scientific method helped us in our fight against disease? How does mistaken how does mistaken ambition on the part of boys and their parents lead to the failures of the boys? What did Duchess do with his pocket money? Why is it difficult to destroy books? What happened when the writer tried to count his heartbeat? Where and why did the manager take the writer alone? What are the social security benefits provided to the Chinese workers? What are the main causes of famines? अब आगे देखिए, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस का दूसरा पार्ट देखिए। व्हाई वाज चर्चिल टॉट ओनली इंग्लिश? कंपेयर द लिटिल टाउन एल गोलिया विद इन साला। Who was the professor Claude Bangalorian, and what was he doing there? How did the Oxford team concentrate penicillin? उसके बाद गिव अ ब्रीफ अकाउंट ऑफ अर्ली लाइफ ऑफ फ्लेमिंग. व्हाट इज द स्पॉन्टेनियस जनरेशन? व्हाई वाज द मुस्तफा कमाल सेंट टू एनाटोलिया? राइट ब्रीफली अबाउट मुस्तफा कमाल्स रिफॉर्म्स रिगार्डिंग वीमेन. जी हाँ, तीसरा पार्ट देखिए शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस का। व्हाई डिड मिस्टर चिप्स क्विट मेलबरी? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पीपल डिड ब्रुकफील्ड प्रोड्यूस? हु वाज द मेजर कॉलिंगवुड? व्हिच राइटर डिड कैथरीन लाइक एंड एडमायर? व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ टीचर वाज मिस्टर चिप्स बिफोर हिज मैरिज? हाउ डिड कैथरीन हेल्प चिप्स इन द मैटर ऑफ डिसिप्लिन? हाउ फिट वाज मिस्टर चिप्स फिजिकली इन हिज 50s? हाउ डिड मिस्टर चिप्स टेक द कॉल ओवर? Why did Chips never bother to beware of Ralston? How did the student, teachers, and parents respond to the row of Mr. Chips with the Ralston? Why did Mr. Chips decide to resign in 1913? How generous was Mr. Chips? Essays देखिए, important examinations, role of media, a journey by a train, my aim in life. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एसेज हैं। उसके बाद इडियम्स या फिर फ्रेजल वर्ब्स देखिए। पहला, wet blanket, hand in glove, null and void, to leave no stone unturned, to turn the tables on, to hand down, to left off, to send for. पैसेज देखिए फ्रॉम उर्दू टू इंग्लिश। माहिरीन के मुताबिक दुनिया भर में मौजूद घने जंगलात जिन्हें, ये इंपॉर्टेंट पैराग्राफ है। अब जरा मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन देखिए। एन इमेंस टाइडल वेव वाज रेज्ड। मैं पूरा नहीं पढ़ूंगा, आपको अंदाजा हो जाएगा कि कौन कौन से आए हुए हैं। द डेली ग्राइंड ऑफ स्कूल प्रेस्ड हेवीली अपॉन हिम। द फ्लेक्सिबल चाइनीज बैम्बूस कर्टेन वाज सेंटर्ड बाय द वेस्टर्न. Naturally, the writer was biased in favor of boys. It is extremely difficult to hike across the Sahara Desert. The Turks had a flame of indignation, not of hatred for Greeks. I am probably the only man in the world who was vivid. Chips had told her of his manicure, and Maynard was a chubby boy. Chips here was stud. उसके बाद जो choose the right prepositions. I do not like to live. They were trembling. They reminded him he is alive. He promised to meet me. Choose the correct sentence. I have no other wealth but my family. Let Jabbar and I eat mangoes. The man is mortal. Either you or I are wrong. Her hairs are black. सो ये था 2020 का। 2021 का पेपर देखिए। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस, राइट अबाउट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द सन एंड स्टार्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द राइटर। हु कैन हेल्प द बॉय इन गेटिंग rid of nervous habits? What are the two main classes of the boys who fail in college? Why did the writer decide to throw books in the river? How did the writer pack the books to destroy? Write about the appearance of the accountant is as is told by the writer. How much money did he draw from the bank? Write down any two causes of famines as given in the chapter. What does hunger on large scale mean? दूसरा पार्ट देखिए. Was Churchill's learning of English is gain or loss? Why was Churchill placed at the end of the school list? What was the importance of silk industry for France? How did Pasteur discover the treatment of the cattle disease? What type of questions did Pasteur ask his teacher? What were the terms offered to the Turkey by the Allies? Why did the people of Turkey support Mustafa Kemal? How did Mustafa Kemal purify Turkish language? अगला पार्ट देखिए. How was the Chips an ambitious person? How did Chips feel in the company of women? Which memories of Catherine haunted Chips? What were Chips' eccentrics? ये आप देख लीजिए. Why could not Radisson become? Why did Chips refuse to accept? Why was Big Hall turned into hospital? Describe the death scene. How did Chips read out? Why did Chips like Brookfield? And who was the major Collingwood? How much popular was? Essays देखिए. My favorite personality. A computer, a blessing or a curse? Education for women, drug addiction. Phrasal verb देखिए. Cheek by jowl, by dint of something. Call a spade a spade. Scare deal, a feather in one's cap. Take back, wait upon, set aside. उर्दू टू इंग्लिश देखिए. इस्लाम की तालीम बहुत सादा है. इसमें ऊंच नीच और रंग की कोई तमीज़ नहीं है. मल्टीपल चॉइस. वी मे थिंक ऑफ देम एज ए कलेक्शन. दूसरा. आई वॉज फेस्ड विद अल्टरनेटिव ऑफ आइदर. उसके बाद. A fairly large eye whispered. He showed discriminant. Pasture imparted. Mustafa Kemal's small ship staggered. He was not, despite his long years. One black sheep can contaminate. There were roars of laughter. Chips was profoundly disappointed. He clings dash. A preposition. A bug collides. You are justified. Everyone will have to account. Correct sentence. English speak English. Although he is poor, but he is honest. Work hard lest you fail. The committee have chosen its chairman. No sooner had they entered the classroom. अगला देखिए. 2022 में जो अहम क्वेश्चंस आए थे. Why do, according to the author, we find this universe frightening? Describe how we have attained better attitude. What is the job of a college dean? Why has Duchess chosen the title end of term? What is the benefit of destroying books? अब बुक्स वाला ये देखिए बार बार आ रहा है ये वाला चैप्टर. What does the author feel while reading a book? Why and how was it adventure for Leacock? Define what hunger means. What did Abdul Rahman do to make himself strong? What happened to Christopher? Why was Professor Cloudy staying at the Tabarset? How was the problem of production of penicillin? How did a man in Italy express his thanks? How serious was the problem of inflammation? What is the hydrophobia? Who was Cole? What type of school was Brookfield? Write a brief note on Cadrini. Comment on Cadrini's suggestion. What were Chip's feelings? Briefly describe Ralston's personality. Who was Catrice and what were? Why was Chips called Pre-War? How would you describe the personality? Why did Mr. Chips not like? Why did Chips become sad? Describe the death scene of Mr. Chips. Essay, my friends. A visit to Mangala Dam. Influence of films on our youth. Waste of time is waste of life. Idioms या फिर phrasal verbs देखिए. All at sea. A fair weather friend. Apple of one's eyes. Will laurels. Break down. Put aside. Take up. Hot and soul. पैराग्राफ देखिए उर्दू टू इंग्लिश 2019 के आखिर में वुधान के हुक्काम को एक अनोखी बीमारी की इतलात मौसूल होना शुरू हो चुकी थी. Multiple choice. Dehydration proved a practical method. Offenside, he looked suspicious. In North Africa, he barely escaped. I gazed for the whole 2 hours. It had no toxic. Every indication seems to point. Chip's voice had a good deal. About 1 in 10 minutes, he was adamant. Let's resume. He had earned the reputation. Preposition देखिए. She takes. She is not entitled. They invited us. He was accused. Walk is conducive. Correct sentence. The chair's leg is broken. He absented from the class. Would that I am a king? He knows to swim. He called him as a fool. अगले अहम पेपर देखिए 2023 में जो अहम क्वेश्चंस आए थे. व्हाट आर द टेम्परेचर बेल्ट्स एंड व्हाट हैज़ द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लाइफ. हाउ हैज़ साइंटिफिक मेथड. अभी तक साइंटिफिक मेथड हो गया. रीडिंग बुक्स वाला बार बार आ रहे हैं, हर साल आ रहे हैं. हाउ कैन अ बॉय cured of his nervous habits. Where and why did David Duchess? Why did the writer become nervous? Mention the various diseases the writer thought. ठीक है, अब ये diseases वाला भी है. A man who was a hospital wala lesson. How did Leacock behave? What is the assistance system in China? Describe the all-around progress made by the Arabs. How did Churchill platform? Give an idea of size of Sahara. Describe how Fleming discovered penicillin. What was the chief detect? What sorry, chief defect of antiseptic method? What do you mean by spontaneous generation? Give some instances of pastured patriotism. How did he manage to set a scat in the weapons carrier? Why was Mustafa Kamal sent to Anatolia? ये Mustafa Kamal वाला भी अहम chapter है. What were Chip's doctor commands? What were the inadequacy of Chip's qualification? How did Mrs. Wickett mention Major Collingwood? Why was Catherine married from aunt's house? Why did Chips become more famous? What was the Chips' reaction towards Catherine's death? Who convinced Chips not to give up? What news about Grayson's father? What was the man conflict between Chips and Ralston? What joke did Chips make about Russell? What post-war changes did occur in Brookfield? Why did Linford come to see Chips? Essay, pollution, the day I cannot forget, junk food, privacy. Idioms, phrasal verb. At a stretch, a dark horse, get into host, null and void, once in a blue moon, stored in teacup, back out, set aside. उर्दू टू इंग्लिश पैराग्राफ. दरअसल इन दोनों 2 महीने तवील मुदत लगती थी. उन दिनों दरअसल उन दिनों 2 महीने तवील मुद्दत लगती थी. ये पैराग्राफ. मल्टीपल चॉइस. सॉरी ये हो गया. अब 2024 पिछले साल का पेपर देखिए. सबसे पहले ये देखिए मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन देखिए. We find the universe frightening. I began to indolently study disease. This will have a bad impact. As an expression of world gratitude, their culture plates were never. Insala is losing the contest. A chubby little fellow made a brilliant. Chip's pension was adequate. Brookfield boys were patrolling. Minyard was a dauntless boy. This conduct is not worthy. Preposition है ये. He introduced his friend. Ali is satisfied. We must abide. The old man died. Correct sentence. I have purchased many wheat. Higher we go, cooler it is. She said she is ill. I and Asad are social workers. He who seeks, he finds.